Okay, so I want you to do that for me. You can attempt that by yourself so that you practice whatever you're learning. So we've got that R is to be made the subject of the formula. Okay, so meaning that we need to eliminate this I. So to do that, we divide both sides by I. Okay, if I should divide both sides by I will now have only R on the other side of the equation. So this will now end up giving me that R, which is this R, will now be equal to V over I. This is also Ohm's law. You get my point now. So if you watch, they are basically the same thing. It's just a kind of placing them in variant form. You understand? Is it like somebody whose name is Precious and some might shorten it to Presh, someone might also shorten it to be P girl, someone might also shorten it to be P baby, but you know that whether it's P baby or whether it's P girl or whether it's Presh or whether it's Precious, it still refers to the same person. The only thing is now the way that the Precious is being pronounced and by who is pronouncing the Precious. So these formulas are Ohm's law. It now depends on what you want to do and when you want to use it. So please, I want you to have these formulas at the back of your mind, and you get. I didn't just want to come up and give you a sheet of paper now or write it down and say Ohm's law is either this or this or this or this. I showed you how I came about it. You understand? So on your own, you try to derive the formula. It's not difficult. It's not something that's difficult, so you don't need to stress yourself about it. Yeah. So please, I want you to get to know these four formulas very, very, very well. Get to know them very, very well. Depending on how questions might come, you might decide to use any one. You understand? But all of them originated from here, moving to here, then to here, and to here. So just get to know them. You understand? Because you've been using them in calculations. So that's by the way. All right. So the next thing that we'll be looking at is the non-mathematical representation of Ohm's law. The non-mathematical representation of Ohm's law. So this is Ohm's law. Yes, the current flowing through a metallic conductor. Okay. This is the main thing. Current is directly proportional to the potential difference. You recall I told you that Ohm's law is just about V and I. You understand? Okay, this is V and this is what I. You understand? And in that mathematics, in the previous sheet you saw, it was said that V and I are related. If this one increases, this one will decrease. If this one increases, this one increase. If this decrease, this one will also decrease. So it's just that mathematical formula that was shown, but represented in word format. This is the non-mathematical representation, and that other one we looked at is the mathematical representation. You get that? So that's that. So Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. You understand? Its ends is, what we mean by this ends is, remember I drew something like this. Okay? Remember I drew something like this.